In our generation, people reject God not always by saying, I don't believe. Sometimes they simply say, I don't want anyone telling me what to do. I decide what is right. My truth is my truth. Sounds familiar, mga classmates? Those who are powerful and majorly abusing the very systems they are entrusted with now just have this temporary victory as their final destination will be permanent. And it won't be good for them. You see, mga classmates, this parable confronts our culture's biggest idol, self-sovereignty. The tenants wanted the vineyard and eliminate the existence of the owner. But we, like the tenants, often forget that the owner of all this is sovereign. We can delude ourselves we are in control. And just like many of us today, we want the blessings, success, protection, and control, but not the obedience and humility that we are all just tenants, servants under Him. Thus, we forgot that all the things we have and even the legacy we want to leave behind are all for nothing when we die. No matter if you are able to bag trillions of money and got away with it. In this world, yes. But the next, if we are like these tenants, we will have a rude awakening. If you believe in Jesus Christ, we all know the ending. He will be victorious. And if you are for Him, then whatever is happening now are all temporary.